Your brother, what's up? Today, I want to talk about sexual tantra. But first of all, what is tantra? It's an ancient technique. It's not just a technique, it's a path. It's a whole philosophy around it. There are many books written in Sanskrit language, and 90%, maybe 80% of these books are not even translated to another language. So there are a lot of mystery behind it, and there are only a handful of people who really explore Tantra in its full. Basically, it's a spiritual path that includes physicality, materiality is not excluded. Like in many other spiritual paths, they just go for the esoteric, metaphysical, and they deny the physical. Like it's an illusion. You don't go there, right? You don't work with your energy. You don't work with your body. Sex is a big no. But Tantra is the one that involves sexuality. But it's only 5 to 10% of the whole tantric literature is about sex. It's about a lot of other techniques. Yoga is one of them. Astrology, music, diet. There are many ways that you can raise your consciousness and increase your life quality within the tantric field. So sexual tantra is about using the sexual energy, not just spending it. And transforming your sexual energy can lead to a lot of different experiences, up to mystical experiences or more loving experiences, or it can empower you in different levels of your being. It can give you a lot of mental power, focus, creativity, productivity. It can make you very charismatic. It can make you more masculine, more powerful. It can make you a much better lover. I'm not just talking about like a raw sexual power. Also there, like it can help you very much with your physical performance, your excellence at the gym or whatever sports that you're doing. So it has tons of different benefits, but the basics are important. Okay, so I will be sharing with you in my next videos the basics, and so if you have any questions or comments, please write under this video and I will try to answer them as much as I can. See you next time.